Guys, you won't believe this. Google just dropped a brand new image model inside Gemini called NanoBanana, and it is insane. People are already saying this could replace Photoshop for certain edits because of how well it handles character consistency and complex compositions. In this video, I'm going to break it down for you, what NanoBanana can do, how you can access it right now, and I'll show you some real examples I've been testing. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. I uploaded a photo of a musician and asked NanoBanana to add a neon guitar strap and place them on a futuristic concert stage. The result? Their face and pose stayed perfectly consistent, but now they look like they're performing in a sci-fi concert. Then, I tried it with a simple photo of a dog. My prompt was, put the dog walking with its owner through a neon cityscape at night. Instantly, NanoBanana generated the scene and both subjects stayed completely consistent. The best part? I was able to merge them into one shot, blending them naturally, like they belong together. That's when I realized you can actually build entire animated sequences with this. And here's the thing, unlike before, NanoBanana is already out. It's not a rumor, it's not hidden, you can use it right now. All you have to do is open the Gemini app, switch the model at the top from Gemini 2.0 to Gemini 2.5 Flash image, and you're in. That's NanoBanana. Now, let me show you something else. I uploaded a photo of a businesswoman and asked NanoBanana to fix her messy hair, change her blazer to white, and add a coffee cup in her hand. The result looked like it came straight from a professional photo shoot. I also tested an old black and white family portrait. First, I asked it to colorize the image. Then, I pushed further, turn this into a cartoon scene at a Halloween fair. NanoBanana brought it to life, keeping all the details and likenesses intact. I didn't stop there. I took a casual portrait of a young man and prompted NanoBanana to transform his look, change his outfit to a tuxedo, fix his hair, and place him at a red carpet event. The output? He looked like a movie star. Same face, brand new setting. And just to recap, here's how you get it. Open the Gemini app, switch from Gemini 2.0 to Gemini 2.5 Flash image, upload your photo, start prompting. That's it. For developers, it's also available in the Gemini API, AI Studio, and Vertex AI. And to keep things safe, Google has added both visible labels and invisible watermarks using SynthID. Every output is traceable as AI generated. Now, here's where it gets even more fun. I uploaded the musician photo again, combined it with a stage background, and prompted, the musician looks out at the crowd as neon lights flash. NanoBanana built the shot, and then I animated it in Runway ML using Google V3. Just like that, I had a moving cinematic clip. I also tested cartoon styles. I uploaded a 3D render of a boy and asked for a cartoon version. Then I re-uploaded that cartoon and said, add a dog beside him in the park and put him on a bicycle. The boy stayed consistent, the dog looked natural, and suddenly I had the beginning of a cartoon series. Finally, I wanted to see how it handles product placement. I uploaded a shot of a basketball player and added an image of a drink brand called SolarSip. My prompt was, make the player hold the SolarSip bottle, pointing it at the camera in a hero shot. The result looked like a professional advertisement. And that's NanoBanana. Honestly, this might be one of the most game-changing AI tools Google has released so far. From consistent edits to creative storytelling to product placement, you can do it all with just one image and a simple prompt. I'll be dropping more tutorials and workflows on NanoBanana soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Let me know in the comments what you want me to test next with NanoBanana, and I'll feature your idea in a future video. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and keep creating. Bye!